Hi, so today I'm going to teach you how to configure your environment in order to develop Java web applications. So you see we need three things. We need the JDK, we need the NetBeans, and we need Apache Tomcat. So here I downloaded these three from the internet, and here I'm going to I'm going to show you how to find them on the internet. So for the JDK, you go to Google and search for JDK 8 download for Windows 7 or whatever operating system you have. In my case, I have Windows 7. So, and you follow the link, you need to accept the license and then choose the one like 64 in my case and download it into your machine. I already done that to save you time. It's on the downloads now, the first one, JDK 8. And then the second thing is the Apache Tomcat server. This is the link, tomcat.apache.org downloads. And I chose the 64-bit Windows zip folder. You only need to download this into your device. And after you do, it's right here, you need to copy it. And then this is for the NetBeans. IDE 8.2. There are different versions. We use the Java EE, and you need to download this. And I already got that right here. Okay, so three things. For the Tomcat, actually, you need to go to and copy this zip folder, and I advise you to put it on the C drive, to paste it here, unzip it here, and keep it here. So there is no installation, only you need to download this zip folder, unzip it, extract it, and keep it on the C drive. We will use it inside our NetBeans. Okay, here is the Tomcat. This is how it looks like on your C drive. For the JDK, you need to install that before you start NetBeans. It's much better actually. And so you start once you run here, but since I already installed it, to make sure that you already installed, you go to the C drive, program files, and then Java, and here JDK 1.8. I also have 1.7 as well. Okay, so now the last step is to run the NetBeans. You click run, next, and you're done. I'm not gonna do this. I already have done that before. So you start the NetBeans now. This is not the for the first time you start the NetBeans. You want to make sure the JDK is configured, and also you need to add a Tomcat or a web server. In our case, in our course, we're going to be using Tomcat. So here you go to this. I have already a project. Start a new project, Java web project, and you go ahead here. There is a you want to use a Java Tomcat server, and then there is no framework. Finish. So now we have our application. Right click on it, properties, libraries. Here the JDK, it's already connected. We need also now to go to the tools, and sorry, not the this one, tools, tools, servers, and then you need to add a server. So you need to point to the server that already put it in your C drive. Browse for the folder where you extracted your Tomcat in your C drive. In my case, it was in the directly in the C drive. Open, provide user if you don't have user in your configuration file already. And then also make sure of the note of the server port. So now it's configured. We need to start this server. We added the server into our project. We need now to start it. You go to the tab servers. It's still configuring. Right click and then start. It should show you here some notifications or messages given that they already start. Sometimes you may have a problem. To resolve that problem, you go to the place where you unzipped your Tomcat. There's a folder there. I need from you to make a change. There's a file, I'm sorry, there's a file that you need to make some changes. The file name is, let me remember, It's in the lib. It's not the XML file. It's in the bin Catalina.pat. Edit with your editor. There are two things here you need to. There's an error in the configuration file by default. You search for Julie Manager or no Julie Manager. I already fixed that. Usually there is a double quotation. You remove those double quotation. It has to look like this. Now it's fixed. There is also no Julie config. Also, it's fixed. I removed the double quotation. Usually it's like this before I fixed it. To fix it, remove this and remove that, and don't remember to also to save. There is another thing also. If you still have a problem in starting your Tomcat, go to the tools options and remove the no. You have to be in no proxy. For me, it was the second options. It has to be no proxy. Now, let's change the browser and run your project to see to test everything is fine. The JDK and also and it's working. Now this is the page. This is a default page for it's running in the local host 8080, which is the Tomcat server, and everything looks nice. Okay, so hope this helps you out configure your environment in order to start working on the course project or the assignments. If you have a question, let me know. Thank you.